Good morning, good morning. We have a new session over here. We are looking at the US 30 chart, and we're looking at Nasdaq. We can switch that into gold and see how gold is doing. Okay, we made a new high in gold yesterday, and I'm pretty sure that today we might make another new high in gold again. It's quite possible that gold might make a new high. Right now we had gold make a new high earlier, as you can see here. That was a new high. Well, today it reached up to 31.35, but yesterday it made a new high. I'm expecting this to break 31.35.60, expecting it to break it. So by the way, this is channel is for education purposes only. We have this matrix software that is printing right now, is showing a lot of red. So, and we also had a little fall in the Dow Jones earlier in the Asia session, and looking for recovery in that. You can see the market is recovering slowly. We'll see where it goes. Gold is showing a down at the moment. We could take a short position here. If I was trading it, I would probably look for a short over here. Everything is kind of red, except we got a mixture. We got a 2-minute showing a bullish candle, so one could do this, but ideally we would prefer for this to be either all red. Right now we got a red background. We got 1 minute is red. The 2 and 3 minutes is not in line yet, so we're going to wait for that. Still showing a weak price. Let's see. Dow Jones is showing some movement. I would probably say this would be a good one to look for longs. This one would be something that you would want to look for a long, and there you have it, 19 ticks there, and that's already, didn't take long to hit the 1920 tick 5 points pretty quickly. So we're looking, gold is, I'm expecting gold to behave bullish, looking for a bullish setup in gold. So what about Nasdaq? Nasdaq is showing a bullish behavior. Yep, it's going up. Let's see what the matrix is showing bullish. That would generally be a buy. We're looking at maybe really 5 points. And there you go, 5 points already hit. So trade is real quick. We're not waiting around for trades over here. 2 trades, it took less than 2 minutes. Do we have a setup in gold? See, gold is still a sell setup. We're waiting for a buy, to be honest. So waiting for gold to switch around, because you don't end up in buying gold only to see you fall, your price or your stop get taken out. So we would wait for gold to show us a bullish setup. Wait for a bullish setup. Gold is showing a complete bearish setup right now. So it almost looks like, I'm way too close to, looks like it's heading down here, this area here, 3113. Looks like gold is heading. We're looking for a short quick scalp, and there you see we already have a scalp which is more than 50 points there. That's it, that's out. We're not looking for massive moves. We're looking for only short scalps which we can take up pretty quickly. Gold, let's see. Nasdaq is looks showing some kind of reversal. Dow is still in the area. I would still say that Dow is still showing movement. Normally I go live between 3 and 3:30 every day, London session. So if you want to join us, you can join us at 3 to 3:30, and we don't need to sit here for hours to catch trades like most of the people. Our trades are very quick, and between 3 and 3:30 we could have had 2-3 setups easily. Right now we don't really see any trade positions in the Nasdaq. Well, Nasdaq is showing a bearish setup, so if I was trading it, I would probably go short, targeting maybe 10 points. Oh my goodness, there you go. It's actually gone beyond our 10 points. We were only aiming for 10 here, but it very quickly went lower. So 10 points got hit in seconds. It's so moving so fast. Looks like on the Dow has taken the liquidity above, heading a little bit lower. We already got out 20 points here earlier. Let's see if we got a trade here. Nasdaq is showing a bearish trade. However, we are close to a pivot, so we would be careful not to just enter trade, or it might turn around and take you out. You gotta be with Nasdaq. You gotta know when to enter and when not to enter. Yeah, gold is showing. Yeah, let's look at gold. Yeah, gold is looking like it might be reversing. Let's see. Showing an upwards movement. A lot of wicks down here, and I'm looking for a bullish setup in gold. I believe US 30, I think this is not really bearish. This is only in the area. It's going to reverse and go back the other way. So be careful about US 30 Dow Jones. Don't short it because the price is not going anywhere. The price is stuck in a channel. If you can see, we are in a range right now. Our range. This is our range right now. We are in this range inside the zone. We're at about 70-80% of the zone. Price hasn't left the zone below. It did leave above and then come back. Went up and came back. So I don't see this as a bearish right now. It could reverse, whereas gold is totally showing bearish. It's below the channel. Okay, we already got our scalp in gold, as you can see. Already hit. There's a wick that already passed it through. There you see, it's already passed it through. So that was very quick scalp in gold. Very fast. That is like it's like a 6-7 ticks in gold. That's about $70 scalp. As you can see, the Dow Jones US 30 is pushing higher now. If you like to see any different currency pairs, please leave a comment. If you like to see another different currency pair, then we can always look at that. What you would like to look at. I'm more than happy to look at euro dollar, or that's if you're trading euro USD, we can look at it, or pound USD. Some people may be trading the pound USD. Right now it's in a consolidation. Euro USD, pound USD, same consolidation pattern, not going anywhere. Okay, euro. Looks like consolidation pattern in euro. So go back to our Dow Jones. Yeah, Dow Jones is we're in our little pattern here. It's trying to come up now. It's trying to leave the zone. And let's look at Nasdaq futures or Nasdaq spot price. The chart is the same, doesn't matter which one you look at. So the charts are the same. We are seeing a lot of rejection wicks over here. Price, I think, doesn't want to go any lower. Price does not want to go lower. That's normally what those wicks indicate. Exhaustion of sellers. Buyers demands. We're probably in a demand area right now. Let's see what the price does from here. And Dow Jones is undecided, still in the zone, not going anywhere. As you can see, it's stuck in this little table, little channel. It needs to break out decisively. It broke up, then it came back, so not going anywhere yet. If you like for me to look at any tickers, leave a message. Any currency pairs that you're trading, then I can have a look at them for you. Gold is showing a recovery. If I was trading gold at this point, I would be looking to look for a long, but I wait to clear for it to clear this profit wave before I would look to go long, so that these indicators over here can turn green. Right now they're all red. But gold is showing resilience. It's not going down any further. It's kind of consolidating over here in a little channel. And you can see the Dow Jones over here. It doesn't want to go lower. Price is stopped. See, that's where the demand zone is. S&D down here is trying to push the price higher. It did not go lower than here, leaving a wick. Generally speaking, that would be a long position. Generally speaking, if I was trading it, I would be trading it 5 points up like that. Generally speaking. Let's see where it goes. Gold is not showing us a bullish setup yet, so we got two quick trades. We got a trade in gold and a trade in Nasdaq. Now we're just waiting for gold to show us a decisive setup, a quality A-class setup before we can say we look to go long. We don't want to go long right now because it hasn't got the setup, and gold is not pushing lower either. It's stuck in a channel. We would like to see gold to clear above this profit wave, and for this to turn, the background to turn green before we can say okay, now we're ready for gold. But look, if you can see, the gold is pushing, edging higher. See, now it's turning green. So we're looking for a long position in gold, and there you go. We're off to the run. We're off to the races with gold. 151 points. Would be happy with 150. Yep, we already hit our target, by the way. Yep, we already hit it. We already wicked it. As you can see where the dot is? That's a wick. Watch, we are almost at our target. There, at target. So that's a winner. Put it over here. A quick win on the Dow Jones. We're looking to win this target as well. We already got 12 ticks. We could take this out at 12, but I would wait for it to go a little bit higher. 5 points, 20 ticks. We would like for it to go. I mean, we could take it out at 13 ticks. 14 ticks. Alright, we'll take this off the table at 14. We'll take it off. 14 ticks on a $5 mini. That would be a $140 trade. No, sorry, not $140. On a $5 mini, that would be a $70 trade. That's fine. That's a good little scalp. And if we had held this, if we hold this position where we were somewhere here. Our 20 points is around here, and we will probably hit 20 as well. As you can see, the price is still going up. There's no doubt in my mind that it cannot hit 20. It can hit 20 as well, and I'll just prove it to you as we wait and see. It's going to hit our 20 target. There, 20 target. See that? So that's it for our trades today. We don't need to stick around here and just waste time. Trading is not about just you get your setup, you enter your trades, and you get out, and you go do something else. You got spend time with your family, spend time with your friends, and do the things you love. That's the whole point of trading for short periods of time. And now that we're in the London session, I feel that we've done the trades we need to do. We got another trade in London in gold. Another trade in gold is formed, and we could definitely in gold. I believe that there could be another trade here. So we're off to the races in gold. Bullish trade setup. As you can see, gold is pushing higher. I'm expecting it to push higher. We're already about 100 points. I think we'll take 100 and we'll call it quits. Okay, alright. Well, you have a great day. Until tomorrow, same time. We might, I might come in New York, possibly live, possibly not, unless I have people here who want to see live prices during that time. Please leave a comment. Have a wonderful day. We made about 4 or 5 quick trades, and I think that's about it for us. Have a wonderful day. Peace out to you.